Basic gallery is completed. So let's go to icon styles. This is what we can create by using icon box. The list it's icon list, right? So this is the list that we can create. Why it is called as icon list? Number one, it is called list because it is a list in literal sense. Why it is called as icon list? Because in place of the numbers you can use icons. I have added this heading element, this image, and this text over here. But the main focus that we need to have here is this one. If you select this icon list and drag it over here and drop it, as you can see, by default there is 3 lists just for preview version. The first option here we get is layout. Either you can make it default stacked layout or you can make it inline, right? Let's make it inline. Here we have already stacked one. We can make it inline here. Now let's change the icon here. Let me just randomly change icons. Just select this item and click on the icon image and you will get option to change icons. And then third item, and then fourth. So while you are working on a project, you need to make sure you select the relevant icon for that particular name or item, list item, right? It should make sense. Actually, this is a dummy for tutorial purpose, so I'm just randomly selecting some icons. And then now apply links on full width or inline. You can apply, you can use this option as based on your requirement. Let me just keep it full width, and here you have option. First option is you can update the text, title, list, and then you have icon, and then in the end you have link option. You can add the URL of external links, or as soon as someone clicks here, he will be redirected to that page, or page link or post link, or within your website or external website, whatever you want, you can add it here, right? So currently if I make it google.com and save it and then click on preview changes, go to preview changes here, scroll down, and then if I click on this icon over here, list item, then I'll be redirected to google.com. Similarly, you can redirect this icon list to any page, web page, right, based on the link that you provide. So here, whenever you want to list out some key highlights or key points, you can use this widget, right, called as icon list, and then you can link those lists with some certain pages or certain sections within the page. You can just play around with that. And then if we go to styles, we have styles option for list, icons, and text. The complete widget is a list, is in a list format. First thing. Second thing, it comprises of icons, and third thing, it comprises of text, right? So in the list, we have some styling options for list to change the space between, and then we can also update the alignment. We can make it center align, or we can make it left align and right align. Then in case you want to have dividers, you can have, and then again, if you enable dividers, you have weight of those dividers and height of those dividers. Also here we will have length. In case if you stack it like this, you will have length of the divider. We have stacked it in a horizontal way, so we have height And now once the list alignment is done, we'll go for styling icons. We have a color change option. Let us make something bright so that it can be visible, and then we can update the size. Again, alignment, let's keep it center. And then when we go to text, first thing that we can do is text indentation. If you want to have indentation, is nothing but the space between icon and text. You can increase that or decrease that based on the requirement, and then change color. And once we hover on that, do you want to change the color like this? And then typography, again you can select the font family and font weight, all those things. I think these font stylings are pretty much good, so I'll not disturb that, but you can just feel free to go ahead and play around with this. And then again, in advanced tab, do we have anything new? No, I don't think so. So I guess we have already seen this. So we have paddings and margins, all those things, all are same. So yeah, that's fine. And then now let's move ahead to the next